I need help with air conditioner troubleshooting.
If the outdoor unit has the 24 error code, there is overcurrent on the compressor, whereas code 25 means there is overcurrent protection for the compressor.
Both are about as bad, but I'm getting more than one error code.
If the control board is confused, turn off the AC at the breaker, wait 10 minutes for the charge to dissipate in the system and turn it back on. It is the same as power cycling your gaming console.
Except even an Xbox resets faster.
Overheat protection is error code 8, but turning the thing off may be enough to cool it off, so you could try to restart it. If the thing won't start, you either have an electrical problem or mechanical problem.
The only problem you haven't listed is a software problem.
Rebooting the control board is a way to eliminate that as the source of the problem. It may or may not fix communication fault errors and sensor errors, but if it does not, at least then you can be more sure it is actually a sensor problem.
What else can I try short of calling technical support, I mean HVAC repair people?
If you're getting an E1 error, see if the access panel has a button stuck in a down position. Then again, turning it off for a while can let it cool off and let moisture that messed up the control board evaporate, and then it may work again too.
Push buttons until it works, then do a really hard reboot to hope it works. Shall I kick it too?
I'd suggest replacing the air filters if they're as grimy as your carpet. That might be enough to cause it to work so hard that it shuts down due to overheating, or has so little airflow it shuts down due to being too cold.
It is hard to imagine an air conditioner getting too cold.
If it were earlier in the year, one possibility might be the AC coil freezing due to running the AC when you ought to be running the heater. This time of year, it might be because a refrigerant leak is chilling things around it down.
Which means the AC stops working when the refrigerant runs out.
If the AC thinks the defrost temperature is malfunctioning, you'll get the F21 error. If it thinks its sensor measuring the internal temperature is wrong, you'll get the F66 error.
And if it is possessed, it would give me a 666 error.
There is no 666 error. Sizzling noises are defrosting, banging could be any motor in the unit. Periodic pinging and bubbling means refrigerant leaking while the compressor depressurizes, and severe rattles mean something's loose.
At least it is not one of my screws then, if that's what it means.